Dr. Michael Harlan, a renowned heart surgeon with over 4 decades of experience, has dedicated his life to saving lives and advancing heart health. Throughout his illustrious career, he has performed thousands of life-saving surgeries, pioneering innovative techniques that have earned him accolades worldwide. Yet, for all his expertise in the operating room, Dr. Harlan is most passionate about preventing heart disease before it requires surgical intervention. His philosophy is clear: the best way to protect your heart isn't with a scalpel, it's with the choices you make every day. Now in his late 70s, Dr. Harlan remains vibrant and full of energy, still traveling the world to share his insights on cardiovascular health. When people ask him about his secret to staying sharp and active, his response is refreshingly simple. It's not just about what I avoid, it's about what I include. Every single day, I eat one specific food that has kept my heart strong and my energy high. I recommend it to everyone, especially those in their golden years. This piece of advice often sparks curiosity, as many assume that the key to heart health must involve elaborate diets or restrictive eating plans. But Dr. Harlan insists that it's not about complicating your life. It's about focusing on small, impactful habits. His journey to discovering this heart-healthy food started decades ago, during his early days as a medical resident. He was struck by the stark difference between patients who maintained a healthy diet and those who didn't. Over time, he noticed that certain foods consistently appeared in the diets of the healthiest individuals, particularly those with exceptional cardiovascular resilience. Driven by his observations, Dr. Harlan delved into the science behind nutrition and heart health. He scoured research papers, collaborated with nutritionists, and even conducted his own small studies. Over and over, one particular food stood out for its incredible benefits, not just for the heart, but for overall health and longevity. It was nutrient-dense, affordable, and easy to incorporate into any meal plan. For Dr. Harlan, it became a daily staple, and over the years, he began recommending it to his patients. While the suspense of this mysterious superfood often builds, Dr. Harlan's reasoning behind sharing it with others is straightforward. He believes that everyone deserves to know how simple changes can make a profound difference in their health. As a surgeon, I've seen firsthand the damage that heart disease can cause, he says, but I've also seen how powerful prevention can be. If something as simple as adding a specific food to your diet can lower your risk of heart disease, why wouldn't you do it? Dr. Harlan's approach to heart health has always been rooted in empowerment. He doesn't believe in scaring people into making changes. Instead, he focuses on showing them how small, manageable actions can lead to big results. His enthusiasm for sharing his daily dietary habit comes from a place of genuine care and a deep desire to see more people thrive. Whether speaking to a room of medical students or chatting with a senior at a health fair, his message is always the same. Your heart is the engine of your body. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. For those who have heard him speak or read his writings, Dr. Harlan's words are a call to action. They inspire a sense of urgency, but also provide hope. His life, both personally and professionally, is a testament to the idea that heart health isn't just a matter of genetics or luck. It's something we can actively nurture through our choices. And for Dr. Harlan, that nurturing starts with one simple, powerful addition to your plate every day. Dr. Michael Harlan's heart-healthy secret is astonishingly simple, yet profoundly effective. Walnuts. These humble, nutrient-packed nuts are his daily go-to for maintaining a strong, healthy heart. While they might seem like an unassuming choice, walnuts are backed by extensive scientific research that confirms their exceptional benefits for cardiovascular health and overall well-being. For Dr. Harlan, they are much more than just a snack. They are a cornerstone of his diet and the one food he insists everyone should incorporate into their daily routine. Why walnuts? Dr. Harlan explains that their unique nutritional profile is what sets them apart. Rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, walnuts are known to reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and support blood vessel function. These tiny powerhouses are also packed with antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, a significant contributor to heart disease. The heart works tirelessly every day of your life, he says. By reducing inflammation and oxidative damage, walnuts essentially give your heart a much-needed break. But the benefits of walnuts don't stop at the heart. They are also an excellent source of essential nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E, which play critical roles in maintaining healthy blood pressure and preventing arterial stiffness. Their high fiber content promotes digestive health, while their protein and healthy fats provide sustained energy. It's the combination of these elements that makes walnuts so effective, Dr. Harlan notes. It's not just one nutrient, it's the synergy of everything they offer. Dr. Harlan is quick to point out that the effectiveness of walnuts lies in consistency. It's not about eating a handful once in a while, he emphasizes. The real magic happens when you make them a daily habit. For years, he has started his mornings with a small handful of walnuts, about 1 ounce or roughly 14 halves. This portion size provides the perfect balance of nutrients without adding excessive calories, making it an ideal choice for seniors who are mindful of their dietary intake. To make walnuts even more appealing, Dr. Harlan shares some of his favorite ways to incorporate them into meals. He loves adding chopped walnuts to oatmeal or yogurt for a satisfying breakfast. For lunch, he often sprinkles them over salads, pairing their nutty crunch with leafy greens, berries, and a light vinaigrette. As a snack, he enjoys them plain or mixed with a handful of dried fruit. And for dinner, he sometimes uses ground walnuts as a coating for baked fish or chicken, adding a flavorful and nutrient-rich twist to his meals. While Dr. Harlan's personal routine showcases how versatile walnuts can be, he understands that not everyone may be used to including nuts in their diet. For those new to walnuts, he suggests starting small, just a few pieces a day, and gradually increasing the amount as they become more accustomed to the taste and texture. The key is to find ways to enjoy them, he says, whether it's a handful with your coffee or a topping on your favorite dish, make it something you look forward to. Dr. Harlan also addresses common concerns about nuts, particularly their calorie content. While walnuts are calorie-dense, their nutritional benefits far outweigh their energy cost when consumed in moderation. Think of them as an investment in your health, he advises. A small handful of walnuts a day can do wonders for your heart, and they're much more satisfying and beneficial than many processed snacks out there. The science supporting walnuts is compelling. Numerous studies have shown that regular walnut consumption can lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while raising HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol. Research also indicates that walnuts can improve endothelial function, which is critical for maintaining flexible and healthy blood vessels. Additionally, their anti-inflammatory properties have been linked to a reduced risk of atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaques in the arteries that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Dr. Harlan often shares these findings with his patients, using them as motivation to adopt this simple dietary habit. I've seen people transform their health just by making walnuts a part of their daily lives, he says. It's one of the easiest changes you can make, and the results are undeniable. He recounts stories of patients who initially doubted the impact of such a small change, but later reported improved cholesterol levels, better energy, and even weight loss after incorporating walnuts into their diets. Beyond the physical benefits, Dr. Harlan also highlights the emotional and psychological advantages of eating walnuts. Their rich, satisfying flavor can help curb cravings for unhealthy snacks, making it easier to maintain a balanced diet. Moreover, the act of intentionally choosing a heart-healthy food every day fosters a sense of control and mindfulness, which can have a positive ripple effect on other aspects of health and well-being. It's not just about the nuts, he says with a smile. It's about what they represent, a daily commitment to taking care of yourself. Dr. Harlan's passion for walnuts is infectious, and his enthusiasm has inspired countless people to give them a try. I don't just recommend walnuts because they are healthy, he says. I recommend them because they are simple, accessible, and effective. Anyone, no matter their age or background, can make walnuts a part of their day. And the best part, it's never too late to start. For Dr. Harlan, this humble food isn't just a dietary choice. It's a lifelong habit that embodies his dedication to heart health and his belief in the power of prevention. Dr. Harlan firmly believes that the simple act of eating walnuts every day can have a profound impact on one's life, especially for seniors looking to enhance their health and longevity. His own experience, combined with decades of medical practice, serves as a testament to the effectiveness of this habit. However, the benefits of adopting this practice go far beyond heart health. They extend to overall vitality, independence, and quality of life. For Dr. Harlan, walnuts represent more than just a healthy snack. They symbolize a proactive approach to well-being, a way to take charge of one's health in small, meaningful steps. It's not just about avoiding disease, he explains. It's about creating a foundation for a vibrant, fulfilling life. This philosophy resonates deeply with his patients, many of whom have found renewed hope and energy by incorporating walnuts into their daily routines. One of Dr. Harlan's most memorable success stories is that of a patient named Linda, a 72-year-old woman who had been struggling with high cholesterol and fatigue. When she first heard about Dr. Harlan's walnut recommendation, she was skeptical. How could something so simple make a difference? She wondered. But after committing to a daily handful of walnuts for just 2 months, Linda experienced remarkable changes. Her cholesterol levels dropped significantly, her energy improved, and she even noticed better focus and mental clarity. It's amazing how something so small can have such a big impact, she said during a follow-up appointment. Stories like Linda's are not uncommon, and Dr. Harlan has seen similar transformations in many of his patients. He attributes this to the powerful combination of nutrients found in walnuts, which work synergistically to support overall health. But he also emphasizes the psychological benefits of forming a healthy habit. When you commit to doing something good for yourself every day, it builds momentum, he says. That one small action can inspire other positive changes in your life. Dr. Harlan's advice is particularly valuable for seniors, who often face unique health challenges such as reduced mobility, chronic conditions, and age-related changes in metabolism. Walnuts offer a convenient, nutrient-dense solution that can be easily incorporated into any lifestyle. You don't need a gym membership or a complicated diet plan to improve your health, he points out. Sometimes, the simplest choices are the most powerful. The long-term benefits of eating walnuts go beyond immediate health improvements. Regular walnut consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline, all of which are critical concerns for aging populations. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of walnuts may help slow the aging process at a cellular level, promoting healthier skin, joints, and overall vitality. It's like giving your body a gift every day, Dr. Harlan says, and the more consistent you are, the greater the rewards. Dr. Harlan encourages readers to think of walnuts as an investment in their future. When you prioritize your health, you're not just adding years to your life, you're adding life to your years, he explains. He urges seniors to start small, incorporating just a handful of walnuts into their daily routine, and to pay attention to how they feel over time. You'll notice the difference, he promises. It's not just about avoiding heart disease, it's about feeling better, stronger, and more capable every single day. To make this habit as easy and enjoyable as possible, Dr. Harlan offers a few practical tips. He suggests keeping a small container of walnuts on the kitchen counter or dining table as a visual reminder. For those who prefer variety, he recommends experimenting with recipes that include walnuts, such as salads, baked goods, or homemade granola. And for anyone concerned about cost, he advises buying walnuts in bulk, which is often more affordable and ensures a steady supply. Dr. Harlan also emphasizes the importance of tailoring the habit to individual needs and preferences. The goal is to make it sustainable, he says. Find a way to enjoy walnuts that fits into your life, whether it's sprinkling them on your breakfast or eating them as a snack with tea. He reassures readers that even small, gradual changes can lead to significant improvements over time. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. As he wraps up his message, Dr. Harlan shares one final piece of advice. Health isn't about big, dramatic changes. It's about the little things you do every day. Walnuts might seem like a small step, but they can lead to a lifetime of better health. He encourages everyone, regardless of their age or current health status, to give walnuts a try and see the difference for themselves. You have nothing to lose and so much to gain, he says with a smile. In the end, Dr. Harlan's simple yet powerful recommendation serves as a reminder that longevity and vitality are within reach for anyone willing to take small, consistent steps toward better health. By making walnuts a daily habit, seniors can not only support their hearts, but also improve their overall quality of life. one handful at a time.